देयर आर 6 विलेजेस, अब 6 गांव दिए हैं। एफ इज दिस किलोमीटर्स वेस्ट ऑफ डी, बी इज दिस किलोमीटर्स ईस्ट ऑफ ई, एन ये सारा दिया हुआ है। विच 3 विलेजेस आर इन अ लाइन? Basically we are supposed to draw the map of all these. We just need to locate all this based on the distances given, and we just need to see which of the 3 villages are in a line there. So there are 6 villages. F is 1 kilometers west of D. अब ध्यान क्या रखना है, यूज द स्टेटमेंट्स वेरी स्मार्टली। स्मार्टली का मतलब क्या है, जैसे यहाँ पर आपको एफ एंड डी का इन्फॉर्मेशन इज गिवन, लुक फॉर द स्टेटमेंट जहाँ पर एफ या डी का इन्फॉर्मेशन इज गिवन, देन ओनली इसके बाद वो वाला स्टेटमेंट यूज करना है। सो लेट्स से आई एम यूजिंग फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, एफ इज 1 किलोमीटर्स टू द वेस्ट ऑफ डी। So let's say this is point D, F is 1 kilometers to west of D. So this is D, this is F, this distance is 1 kilometers. अब F and D are covered. Look for a statement where either F is given or D is given. D is given here, so let's use this statement first. D is 1 kilometers to south of A. So this point is 1 kilometers to south of A. This is 1 kilometers to south of A. This is point A. Now you have information about A. We have used these two. Information about A is given here and here. So it says A is 2 kilometers to north of E. So this point is 2 kilometers to north of E. Can I say E is somewhere here? This is where you have E. And this is supposed to be 2 kilometers. So this is only 1 kilometer. So we have used this also. C is 1 kilometers to east of E, 1 kilometers to east of A. C is 1 kilometers to east of A. So C is somewhere at this point. This also used. B is 1 kilometers to east of E, 1 kilometers to east of E. This is where you have B. Answer यहीं पर ही आ गया था when you have A, D and E in the same line. So you have A, D and E, that is option B as the correct answer. A, D and E are in the straight line. Question बहुत सिंपल था, कुछ नहीं है, बस लोकेट करना है, ये देखना है कौन एक लाइन में है. Let's see the next one.